Some nodes just watch. The calculation node does the math, live over the other readings in your swarm. A Krill server on a Raspberry Pi. Empty. Everything we add is a node. 2 readings feed it. Voltage, 12 volts. And current starting at 0. Now the calculation. Voltage times current. Wire both sensors in. There go the arcs. It's invoked by its sources, so any change reruns it. A data point holds the result. 2 readings in, 1 number out. Here's the whole pipeline. No loop, no controller. Turn it on. 12 volts on the line, but 0 current, so 0 watts. Exactly right. Bring the current up to 2 amps and the calculation fires 24 watts. Push it to 5 and instantly 60 watts, as fresh as the inputs. That's the calculation node, a live formula over your swarm's data. And when you need more than a formula, you reach for a lambda.